welcome back to my channel, Tiana Cherie. If you are old, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. Please go subscribe so you can be notified when I upload a latest video. Welcome. So today in this video, I will be making, can you guess? I will be making rice water for hair growth. I will be using organic jasmine rice for this. And rice water contains vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin E for hair growth. So I will be pouring a cup of my organic jasmine rice into my measuring cup. Then I will be pouring it into a container. And then I will be adding some water so I can rinse off the grains. Once I have done that, I will be pouring my rice into my mason jar. I am doing it the messy way, but hey, the job is still getting done. Be pouring my water into my mason jar. Then I had some old rice water that I have not used. I would be pouring a cup of that into my mason jar as well. Then I will be pouring a couple of drops of lavender oil into my mixture. And just to give it a citrusy smell, I will be putting some orange peels into the rice water as well. From what I'm hearing, after you let the rice water sit a while, it does have a weird odor. So just to keep that from happening, I will be putting my orange peels in it to give it a citrusy smell on top of the lavender oil. So now I'll be putting these into my mason jar. Shake it up a little bit. There you go. Voila! There we go. My rice water. And these are all of the ingredients that I use for today. Alright y'all, so I decided to go with the formation method when it came to my rice water. And this is what it looks like after a 2 weeks worth of time. So the formation method is when you allow the rice water to sit for an X amount of time. In this case, I did let it sit in a dark cabinet for about 48 hours. Then I took it out of the cabinet and put it in the refrigerator to stop the formation process. So here is a few of my items that I will be using, and this is what my rice water looks like up close. Alright, so I will be giving it a smell. Doesn't smell too bad. I guess the lavender and the orange peels did its job. It doesn't have a bad odor that I heard that it does have. So now I will be pouring the rice water into my container. Now I will be pouring the rice water into my spray bottle. The fermented water has a high amount of antioxidants, which enhances the vitamins and nutrients levels, in turn helping to protect and nourish your hair. So this is the rice water up close, and this is what the rice water looks like. And there we go. All set. There's my rice water. I'm glad you guys were able to tune into this video. The rice water I heard is supposed to help with hair growth, and I'm so excited to see what this rice water does. So stay tuned and I will give you guys an update on that.